Jeff Kelderman, Kelderman Trucks. Today we're going over this 2024 GMC Denali Ultimate 3500. Tell you, we built a lot of cool stuff here, and I mean a lot of cool trucks here. But every once in a while, everything comes together and you just have a jaw-dropping piece of machinery. And this right here is a perfect example. So this truck showed up, it had chrome everywhere. And customer says, we gotta get rid of the chrome. I want color match and I want black. And we went to work. Ron, our painter, spent a ton of time on this. All the badges have been painted, the rear tailgate, the grill. I mean, he really spent a lot of time making this thing just absolutely perfect. So these trucks come from the factory with a ton of chrome. So we color match the surrounds. Ron, our painter, who's just phenomenal, laid an exact color match on this front Alpha Series bumper. We've got a 16.5 winch that we also painted this black, originally silver. And we've got powder coated inserts on the bumper, and then we have gloss black monster hooks, and in the wings we have our Midnight Series rigids. Because the customer wanted all the chrome deleted, we sent out the headlights out to Eco Tint, and he did a color match also. So this truck, door handles, emblems, all that, no chrome, it's all black or color matched. So the front suspension on this is our 4 to 6 inch kit. Because of the torsion keys, you have a little bit of variance on how tall you can run it. We also run our Kelderman upper control arms, and we have our Kelderman shocks that are made by Raptor up in Minnesota installed on this. This kit allows you to run 37-inch rubber. This particular truck, we're running Nitto ridge grapplers on 22-inch American Force. So all the door panel that was chrome from the factory, we ordered black panels from the dealership and installed that on these doors. We had to pop the door handles off. We went ahead and color matched those here. The rear suspension is our 2-inch over stock. It's a 4-link suspension. We got a larger sway bar because obviously with a big dually, this guy's gonna be towing trailers all the time. So the controls on this are our mechanical dual Vier system. We're running 2 tanks. We make the tanks in-house now. We got dual height control valves, and then we have a Switch Pro inside. You can hit a button to dump the air on this. We also have a larger sway bar because this guy's gonna be towing all the time. The dual 3-gallon tanks have enough air capacity to power our horn blasters kit. We have a Switch Pro inside that has the horn button on it. The Switch Pro also controls all the lights. So it's a nice little compact setup that has all your controls. If you wanna dump, you wanna run your lights, you can also hook on to your phone, sync up with the app, and run your front lights. You have the capacity to dim them so that these ridges aren't quite as bright. Use a full blast when you're off-road, and then you can tone them down if you want to use them on-road. Coming around to the rear of the truck, it's just as awesome as the front. As you can see, we redid all the emblems. Again, no chrome, everything's black. We popped the taillights out, we put some tint on that. We also tinted the little lights on the fenders, and we also did the lights on the fender trim. The rear bumper is a Delta, color match just like the front bumper. It's just absolute spot on, just perfect. We got our black monster hooks, and we got our rigids for backing up. Once you start hauling trailers, I'm telling you, you start using these rigids when you're backing up the trailer at night, it's just a total game changer. No more bashing into the license plate, hitting your trailer hitch. These GMCs have large, about 3-inch square backup sensors here. So we make a 3D printed piece here, we paint it, color match it, pop the sensor in the back of it, everything works like it's supposed to. These steps have a little backing plate in here with the Kelderman logo, and then we still have a couple spots here for mud and dirt to fall out. And of course, with every Kelderman truck we build, you're gonna get the little air chuck so you can air up your ATV tire, bicycle, motorcycle, whatever you need when you have onboard air. I guarantee you there's gonna be a day where you're gonna be really glad you have it. This is a repeat customer's truck. This is going down to Louisiana. Really appreciate the business. We got ourselves a Denali Ultimate. Man, I gotta say, this is probably the ultimate Kelderman truck.